Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage ChatGPT history. Managing ChatGPT history helps you control the conversation or saved, reviewed, or used to improve your experience. Your chat history make it easier to revisit past discussion, but you can also delete the conversation, turn off the history, or adjust the privacy setting if you want to more control. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. To managing the ChatGPT history, you have to first log in your account. So I already log in with my email account. Mouse over the ChatGPT icon. This will be changed the open sidebar. You have to click this. Here you can check it out all of your past search history. So if you would like to share this history to other, you have to click on the more icon. Then you have to click on the share menu. Here you can copy the link to send to other, or directly you can share to X or LinkedIn or Reddit account. So you can also start a group chat. That means multiple people can simultaneously chat with your conversation. You can also rename the history name. You can also pin the particular chat or archive. Then you can also delete this. If you would like to delete for the entire chat history, you have to click on the profile name. Then you have to go to settings. Then you can select the data controls. Here under the data control, you have to select the delete all chats. You have to click this, delete. Then you have to confirm the deletion. That's it. So now you can check it out. All of your chat history has been removed. So in this way, you can easy to manage the ChatGPT search history. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.